how to update your Google Maps app. So if you go to your app store and you want to see if you have an update for your Google Maps, all you have to do is go to your app store and go ahead and type in Google Maps. So we can type that in and we can see if we have an update here. So go ahead and click on Google Maps. Sometimes it'll say open there, but sometimes if you click on it, it'll say it will give you the option to update it here. So obviously you see we can't physically update it through the App Store itself. So what we can do is come out of here, close that out, and you can go to your settings, and what you can do is scroll down to where you see general and then go to your iPhone storage. So from here, what we can do is go ahead and find your Google Maps app here. And what you want to do here is offload the app. So offloading the app will get rid of any cache or temporary files in the app itself, and it will reinstall the app and force the app to have the newest features, if it has any, to be on the current version. So we can go ahead and click offload app. That will take a little bit of time. And as you see here, this will reinstall the app. It won't log you out. It won't do anything like that, but it will give you the newest possible version that it has because it got rid of that cache, and it forces you to update the actual app. And that's it. Once that's done, you should have the newest version of Google Maps on your phone, or what Google Maps offers to its users. And that's it.